Elevator monitoring and security for smaller buildings. Introduction: Why elevator monitoring is critical for smaller buildings. The need for elevator monitoring and security extends beyond high-rise skyscrapers and large commercial properties. It's also important for smaller buildings to prioritize the safety and functionality of their elevators. Regular monitoring not only ensures the safety of tenants and visitors but also guarantees the continuous functionality of the elevator systems. In fact, according to the national elevator industry, there are over 1 million elevators in operation in the United States, and small buildings comprise a significant portion of this total. For property managers and landlords of smaller buildings, it is essential to invest in elevator monitoring to prevent expensive repairs and ensure the safety of the building's occupants. Contrary to popular belief, small buildings require just as much monitoring as larger complexes. Despite their size, small building elevators can still encounter malfunctions, emergencies, and compliance issues, highlighting the need for monitoring services. The importance of elevator monitoring and security for small buildings. While frequently overlooked in smaller properties, the importance of elevator monitoring and security cannot be overstated. When elevators in smaller buildings malfunction, the impact on tenants can be much more immediate and personal. For instance, in residential properties, tenants may rely on the elevator for mobility or daily access, especially those occupants with disabilities. Consequently, the timely resolution of issues is a critical matter of safety and accessibility. Additionally, small building owners must ensure that their elevators meet all safety standards, just like in larger buildings, including regular monitoring to detect early signs of malfunction. Without professional elevator monitoring and security, small properties may find themselves vulnerable to elevator breakdowns, extended downtimes, or even legal liability because of accidents or injuries. Proactive monitoring helps to prevent such issues, ensuring that minor faults do not escalate into serious safety risks. How elevator monitoring enhances safety and security. Real-time data provided by elevator monitoring services empowers building managers to prevent accidents before they happen. Through the use of 24/7 surveillance and response systems, any problems like sudden stops, power failures, or door malfunctions can be swiftly attended to. This ensures that, in the event of an emergency, tenants are not left alone and helpless in an elevator. Additionally, elevator monitoring serves as an effective security measure by deterring unauthorized individuals from accessing restricted floors and closely surveilling any suspicious activities. Many services also include emergency call systems, which allow passengers to quickly reach a professional operator in case of a security breach or mechanical failure. By implementing these systems, small building landlords can ensure that tenants feel secure knowing their safety is constantly being monitored. Key features to look for in a professional elevator monitoring service. When evaluating elevator monitoring and security services, it is crucial to remember these essential features. First, make sure the service offers round-the-clock live monitoring and the ability to respond to emergencies immediately. Trained operators are a hallmark of professional services, as they can efficiently analyze and resolve issues remotely or mobilize repair teams if required. Real-time diagnostic tools are another key feature, providing constant monitoring of the elevator system's health. These tools enable proactive maintenance by pinpointing mechanical or electrical issues ahead of time, preventing system failure. Moreover, it is worth looking for services that provide extensive reporting options. These tools enable building managers to easily track the elevator's performance, maintain records, and ensure compliance. Elevator monitoring for smaller buildings, unique considerations. Elevator monitoring for smaller buildings presents its own unique challenges and considerations. While a small building may lack the complexity of a large commercial property, the repercussions of a system failure are felt on a more immediate and personal level. In smaller buildings, where tenants have regular interactions with management, the elevator service serves as a direct reflection of the property management's attention to detail. The space limitations in smaller buildings may also affect the feasibility of implementing certain monitoring solutions. Therefore, landlords and building managers should look for scalable monitoring solutions that fit the specific needs of smaller elevators without compromising functionality. Additionally, small building landlords often operate on smaller budgets, which makes cost-effective elevator monitoring services a priority. Compliance and legal requirements for elevator monitoring and security. Small building managers must not overlook the importance of meeting compliance standards for elevator monitoring and security. The American Society of Mechanical Engineers, ASME, enforces stringent safety codes for elevators, imposing hefty fines and legal consequences for noncompliance. Besides federal regulations, many states have their own elevator safety requirements for building owners, such as mandatory inspections and emergency preparedness protocols. Partnering with a professional elevator monitoring service allows building managers to stay in line with national and local regulations. Along with compliance features, these services provide automatic scheduling of inspections, real-time reporting for maintenance issues, and emergency alert systems that adhere to legal safety standards. Choosing the right elevator monitoring provider for your small building. Small building landlords must carefully consider their options when choosing an elevator monitoring provider. When evaluating providers, it's important to consider companies that have a proven history of success and receive favorable feedback from their customers. In this field, experience plays a crucial role, as companies with a long history are better equipped to handle a variety of issues. Opting for a provider that offers flexible pricing plans is essential, especially for smaller buildings with tight budgets. Therefore, look for service providers that offer scalable options, ensuring you have access to the features without being charged for unnecessary extras. Finally, consider the customer service of the provider and recognize the importance of having an attentive, responsive support team that can effectively address any concerns. How elevator monitoring can improve tenant satisfaction and retention. Elevator monitoring and security directly impact tenant satisfaction and peace of mind. Reliable elevators mean fewer interruptions to daily routines, making tenants more likely to appreciate the smooth, worry-free operation of such a vital building service. A monitored elevator system also ensures unexpected issues are handled swiftly, preventing prolonged downtimes that frustrates tenants. For landlords and property managers, offering a professionally monitored elevator can be a selling point when marketing their property. Tenants who feel safe are more likely to renew their leases, reducing turnover and increasing tenant retention. In smaller buildings, where landlords or management often have closer relationships with tenants, the impact of a well-maintained and secure elevator system on tenant satisfaction is considerable. Conclusion: why elevator monitoring and security is a must-have for small buildings. To summarize, the monitoring and security of elevators are essential for maintaining safety and operational efficiency in smaller buildings. Real-time monitoring and rapid response systems enable building managers to take immediate action, mitigating accidents, reducing liability, and maintaining compliance with legal regulations for their elevators. Therefore, small building landlords and property management companies that invest in elevator monitoring services will discover that these systems prevent expensive repairs, enhance tenant satisfaction, and ensure long-term success. Partner with us for your elevator monitoring needs. Elevate the safety of your building and guarantee seamless operations by teaming up with elevatormonitoring.net, powered by InstaAnswer. Drawing on our extensive 50-year history, our elevator monitoring and security services meet the unique needs of small buildings, incorporating the latest advancements in technology. To find out how we can help you enhance elevator security and prioritize tenant safety, reach out to us today at 1-877-631-9711 or via email at support@iacaller.com for a no-cost, no-obligation consultation. You'll be glad you did. You have reached the end of this post. Thank you for listening and have a great day.